Hello dear friends, this is Anwar Ali from Technocademia, and in this tutorial I will teach you how you can insert these units in your website by using a plugin. It's a very simple method. Just follow me and you will be enabled to do it by yourself. Let's go to my website dashboard, my WordPress dashboard. Here I will going to install a plugin. Just go to the plugin and I will installing a new one. Here I will install now. I just add new, select the add new option in the plugins. It will redirect me to the page where I can search the plugins. I'm just searching for ads inserter. I can search add inserter. Okay, here's lots of plugins. So the first one I'll just going to install this one. Okay, the first one, install now. Let's install it, and then we will going to activate this plugin. And what can this plugin do for us? Okay, so we had installed the plugin. Okay, it's the add inserter plugin. I'm just going straight to my adsense again. Let's move to there. Here's, you will see that the ads and by site ads, by the automated ads are off. Why? I did so because the automated ads can cause invalid activity in our site, because it's Google just put it without our consent and without any proper navigation and optimization, and it can cause invalid activity, and Google can put limitations and penalties on our AdSense account. So I recommend the custom ad units to add site. It's here you can select options, which type of ads you want to show in your content and where you want to show those ads. Okay, so display ads and feed ads and article ads. For example, I'm going to put this an article ad. Okay, let's just select this one. Okay, here you can customize your ad unit, ad name, ad unit name. You should give it a name like an article ad. Okay, yes, you can customize the title, things like the font style and Google optimized style. I just selected so Google can optimize it for me. Okay, save and get code. Let's move. Okay, here's the code. It says copy and paste this code on your site, a script. Okay, so let's copy this code snippet. It says place the ad code on articles you want ads to appear, and between the HTML of your content. It can take 20-30 minutes for the ad to appear on the page. Let's go to the plugin directly. Okay, so if it cannot you cannot locate the plugins, the plugin that you had already installed, just click on the setting. Okay, you can see the ad inserter below. Okay, the second last one, ad inserter. When you click the setting in your WordPress dashboard, you will see the ad inserter plugin and the second last one. Okay, just click this. I am using ad inserter from very long before, so I had already put lots of ads units here, 9 ads units almost. So I'm going to add the 10th one. Okay, here's, it will give you the pages where you can put ads. Like these all are the 1 to 16 pages where I can add the ads units. I'm just going to paste the code that I copied from here, this code. Okay, let's go. Okay, it will give you options like where it should appear in the posts, in the static page, home page, search pages, category pages, tag or chaos pages. Okay, so I will suggest to select the post, not the statistic pages or the home page. I suggested there should be minimum number of ads in your home page, because your home page is just should be, it should be easy to use, easy to navigate everything, and there should not be lots of ads that confuse your user and make it difficult for your user to navigate what they want to see or what they want to read. Okay, and here insertion, where should be this inserted? Before the post, before the content, before the paragraph, after the paragraph, before the image, after the image, after content, after post, before except, after except, between posts, between comments, after comments. You can before HTML element, inside HTML element, after HTML, you can select any option. Okay, but I recommend to select between posts. Okay, so it's a good idea. The ads unit will be appearing and between the post, when someone reading our post, when they're scrolling up and down, it will be appearing between the post, like in between an article, where it's convenient to the Google, and it will be the relevant ad. So between the post, I just suggest that. So I'm clicking to between the post. Okay, and save setting 1 to 16. You can any type of you can select any page, and here you can see a preview. Okay, a preview list manually. Okay, devices, you can select any desktop, tablet, phone, or any device. You can here select these options manually. Okay, I'm just going to save it. And it says that saved successfully. Okay, setting saved. Okay, now when we are going to see our post, how it's appeared, just go to the preview and it will just preview the content. Okay, size. Okay, this preview, and you can see. Okay, it will appear like that. So you can select any other ad unit. You can create ad units and you can insert it like this manually, done easily. This tool, this plugin is the best one for putting and inserting the ads units in the site manually. It will save your site from any other activity. I hope you will find this helpful, and if you have any question, you can let us know in our comment box. You can contact us through Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or any recommended ways. Thank you for watching.